break it down. Procrastination usually takes two forms. Either you have trouble starting or you have trouble finishing. This is usually down to fear and having a negative vision of the future in which you see yourself failing, being criticized, laughed at, punished, or whatever it is for you. A simple way to overcome that is to break down the task into small, manageable tasks that you can accomplish easily. Focus on accomplishing what's right in front of you at this moment. Ignore what's off in the distance someplace. Substitute real-time positive thinking for negative future visualization. Use focused goals. Your dreams are a projection of the life you wish to lead. When you have the clarity of a goal, living your dream life becomes so much easier. Without goals, it's impossible to manage your time effectively and achieve your dream life. Your life is affected by your attitude. Use your past as a school, not as a club. Don't beat yourself up with your past. Instead, look at your past as lessons that you can apply to do better in the present and in the future. Until we have finally accepted the fact that there is nothing we can do to change the past, our feelings of regret and remorse and bitterness will prevent us from designing a better future with the opportunity that is before us today. Seize this day and make a point of a new beginning. The thoughts and feelings that we have today are crucial, for they are contributing to our future. What vision are you holding of your future? Set goals that fill you with excitement and anticipation of the day when that dream will become a reality. If we are intelligent enough to invest our experiences of the past and wise enough to borrow the excitement and inspiration of the future by clearly seeing that future in the mind's eye, then past experiences and future excitement become today's servants. Everyone needs other people to help them achieve their dreams. No man is an island, and your attitude toward other people will have a huge impact on your future success. We can't recognize our own innate gifts and talents if we have a poor attitude about ourselves. Recognize your value and applaud your accomplishments. Take action. If you plant the seed, the tree will grow. You have to convert your knowledge and your good feelings into activity. As Jim Rohn points out, what we know and how we feel merely determine our potential for achievement. Whether we actually achieve our goals is ultimately determined by our activity. We have to put our assets to work. Constantly measure your results. Every now and then you need to measure how you're doing with your philosophy, your attitude, and the action that you're taking. That is, you need to measure the results that you're getting. Your results will teach you a lot about your own philosophy, your own attitude, and your own action. Here's what life asks you to do. Make measurable progress in reasonable time. If you're not getting the results that you want, it's an indication that something needs to change. There are some things that you're going to have to check every day. There are some things that you need to check once a week. There are some things that you need to check once a month, and so on. As an illustration, if a salesman is supposed to make 10 calls a day, his supervisor would ask him once a week how many calls he made that week. Measuring your results allows you to take corrective action. Success is a numbers game, so check your numbers. Learn how to live well. The results that we get from our personal philosophy, our attitude, and our actions lead to our lifestyle. That is, our personal philosophy, our attitude, and our actions are the cause, and our lifestyle is the effect. To change the effect, we must alter the cause. Therefore, if you're not happy with your current lifestyle, you need to re-examine your philosophy, your attitude, and the actions that you're taking. You can be happier by becoming the person who gives a little more to the world. Don't blindly chase other people's version of success. Instead, spend the time to figure out what truly makes you happy and then invest in things really that give you joy. Learn how to change. You are what you read. All leaders are readers. If you've become too busy to read, stop making excuses and start reading again. In the morning, at bedtime, during your lunch break, be disciplined by starting small and fitting a few pages in wherever you can. One bonus hack for making positive change. Ask the most successful person you know who's the most successful person they know. Then, take that person out to dinner and pick their brain to learn more success tips. Constantly work on your mind. Doing affirmations, reading motivational books, watching webinars. That is the food for your mind. Your mind will take you from where you are to where you want to be. So, never allow your mind to starve.